just left New Jersey and spent a lot of time in Frenchtown. We enjoyed it. We loved it. Thank you, Kathleen Nafani, for hosting us. Pat, Lynn, it was great meeting you, and Riley. And we're heading to Pennsylvania because my family reunion is going on right now. It's called Montgomery Fest, and I haven't been since I was a senior in high school. This is my Uncle Rusty. We're here at the family reunion, Montgomery Fest. And my father. You remember my father.
George.
Hey.
Hi, Dad.
Hey, sweetheart. Good to see you.
As it turns out, Blue Knob is one hell of a climb. We were like first and second gear, and we've had to stop twice now because we're getting too hot, and we just need to open up the hood, let it cool off. You could smell it. It's not good. So this is where like a diesel truck or a bigger truck would probably pay off. But wow, it's steep.
That's not very helpful.
Why it's so red? I guess it's because of the night shot.
We finally made it to the top of the mountain at Blue Knob Ski Resort. Stasia and George led me on a difficult path, backing up the long, dark driveway with the camper.
So we're gonna play a game called Find the Missing Shards.
Is he saying sharks? Sharks? Or
Shards.
Shards. I think he said shards, not sharts. So that's good.
It's under the Stasia. The rocks are down there. You'll find it down there.
I don't want to go down there.
If you go to, you don't have to go to your trailer. Jacob,
Yes.
you're not gonna help Stasia?
I'll come look for it here soon.
It's this way. I'll show you.
I think I could have been mom though, because we were flying. Yeah. We went so fast.
I'm so out of shape. Oh, man.
Steep climb. Those Pennsylvania mountains. Here we go.
Happy
Cooks.
birthday.
Hermosos.
Happy birthday to Jacob, okay? So here we go. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Jacob, happy birthday to you. Happy third birthday. Happy birthday.
That's delicious.
Great.
Wow.
We're heading back to the Midwest, and we're bringing my dad and Vanessa with us.
Picking up Tim and Kristen. Then we'll be heading to the lake tomorrow.